Make a 2-layered bead ring with me, step-by-step tutorial. Here are some rings I have made. Heart rings. Hello Kitty rings. Tutorial for these are on my channel. Watermelon ring. All you will need are some cutting pliers, nylon cord, and seed beads. First, thread 3 beads onto the nylon cord. Then thread 1 bead onto one side of the cord and go back through the bead with the other side, going the opposite way. Pull tight. Then thread 1 bead on each side of the cord. Now put 1 bead on one side of the cord and go back through the bead with the other end. Pull tight. Then repeat the last 2 steps. Put 1 bead on each end. Then put both ends of the cord through another bead going opposite ways and pull tight. Repeat until you have a chain of beads fitting the length around your finger. It should look like this. Now thread 2 more beads onto the cord, 1 on each end. Then thread the right end back through the first bead on the chain and repeat on the left side. Pull both ends until it connects the ring. Now take the left side of the cord and thread it through the bead on the right. Then this one here as well. Now thread both ends through this top bead here, going opposite ways. Now thread 2 white beads onto the left side. Then thread 1 bead on one end and go back through the bead with the other end. Pull tight. Put the right end of the cord through the next bead up on the right. Then put 1 white bead onto the left end of the cord. Put 1 white bead on one end and go back through with the other end of the cord. Now repeat the last 3 steps. Thread the right end of the cord through the next bead up on the right. Put 1 bead on the left end. Thread both ends through a new white bead, going opposite ways. Repeat all the way around until you get to this stage. Thread the right end through the last bead on the right. Then thread it through this bead here. Now take 1 more bead and thread both ends through either side. To tie it off, thread the cord through these beads that I am threading it through. Now make 2 knots and pull tight. One more knot. Cut excess pieces and you're done. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Subscribe for more tutorials. You can even try making these rings here. Comment if yours work. Thank you for watching.